The single greatest lie holding most of you billionaires in the making from explosive wealth is the insidious belief that you need money to make money. It's a myth, a generational handcuff, perpetuated by conventional thinking designed to keep you stagnant. What if I told you the truly wealthy, the financial titans, often invest with $0 of their own capital? Robert Kiyosaki, the icon of financial education, famously stated, "Only lazy people use their own money." Today, I'm going to unearth his mind-blowing philosophy, pull back the curtain on how to turn $0 into infinite returns, and practically guide you on leveraging other people's money to build your empire, regardless of your current bank balance. This isn't theoretical. This is the forbidden knowledge that will redefine your financial trajectory. The "I can't afford it" poverty trap. Let's confront a harsh truth. How many times have you caught yourself or heard others say, "I can't afford that"? Kiyosaki's rich dad absolutely forbade this phrase. He viewed it as the ultimate lazy mindset. Think about it. When you say "I can't afford it," your brain shuts down. It accepts defeat. It stops seeking solutions. This isn't just about consumer goods, it infiltrates your investment opportunities. I can't afford that down payment, I can't afford to start that business, I can't afford to buy that asset. This mental block, this real estate between your ears, as Kiyosaki calls it, is the greatest barrier to your wealth. It's the difference between merely wishing for riches and actively creating them. We, billionaires in the making, don't accept limitations. We ask, how can I afford it? How can I do that? This simple shift in language unlocks a universe of possibilities. The opium revolution, why the rich don't use their own money. This is where the paradigm shifts. Kiyosaki built his empire not by hoarding cash, but by mastering the art of opium, other people's money. It sounds counterintuitive, even risky, to conventional minds. But for the financially intelligent, it's the cornerstone of rapid wealth acceleration. Why use your own hard-earned capital, which is limited, when you can leverage limitless pools of capital from banks, private lenders, or even partners? The genius isn't in having money, but in knowing how to raise it, how to structure deals, and how to manage it for maximum return. This isn't about getting something for free. It's about financial arbitrage, where your expertise and ability to spot value become the true currency, not your personal savings. This is the difference between a millionaire mindset and a billionaire mindset. Kiyosaki's blueprint, the 100% debt deal that built his empire. Let me share a powerful illustration from Kiyosaki himself. He recounted his first real estate deal, an $18,000 condominium in Maui. Here's the kicker. He bought it with 100% debt. Yes, you heard that right. $0 down of his own money. He specifically chose this path even though he had his own cash because, in his words, that would be too easy. This wasn't recklessness, it was a deliberate strategy. He understood the deal, the cash flow potential, and how to manage the risk. He leveraged the bank's money, secured the asset, and then had tenants pay down the debt while he reaped the profits. This isn't just about buying property, it's about buying any asset that generates income using someone else's capital. This single concept, fully embraced, can unlock rapid, scalable investment opportunities for you, billionaires in the making, in ways you never thought possible. From failure to fortune, the power of creative problem solving. Now, success isn't without its stumbles. Even financial gurus like Kiyosaki faced monumental setbacks. He shared a story of a business mistake from 1973, a surfer wallet venture that failed spectacularly, leaving him $200,000 in debt to his father. Most people would quit. Most would retreat into their shell. But this failure sparked an incredible innovation. His team observed joggers needing a place for keys, leading to the creation of the wildly successful shoe pocket. This illustrates a critical lesson for investing with no money down. Failures are not roadblocks. They are data points. They are the raw material for creative problem solving. When you hit a wall, don't say "I can't." Ask, how can I pivot? What new opportunity does this reveal? This resilience, this ability to innovate under pressure is far more valuable than any starting capital. Your action blueprint, shifting from can't to how can I. Billionaires in the Making, your first step towards investing with no money down, isn't about finding a deal, it's about fundamentally rewiring your mindset. Ditch the I can't afford it mentality forever. Replace it with the relentless, resourceful question, how can I make this happen? This means, 1. Educate yourself relentlessly. Understand the assets you want to acquire, real estate, businesses, commodities. Learn their cash flow mechanics, their risks, their upside. 2. Master the art of the deal. Learn to identify undervalued assets, negotiate terms, and structure agreements that attract investors or lenders. 3. Build your network. Connect with private money lenders, angel investors, joint venture partners. These are the people who have the capital you can leverage. 4. Embrace debt as a tool. Understand good debt versus bad debt. Good debt puts money in your pocket, bad debt takes it out. Leverage good debt strategically to acquire income-generating assets. And 5. Develop an entrepreneurial spirit. Be resourceful, be creative, be willing to fail forward. This journey is about financial intelligence, not the size of your bank account. It's about seeing opportunity where others see obstacles. Now, if this powerful philosophy of investing with no money down has ignited a spark within you, if it's challenged your deepest assumptions about wealth, then you know its value. Don't let this knowledge stop here. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this right now. Think of a friend, a family member, a colleague stuck in that I can't afford it loop. Send them this video. It could be the catalyst that transforms their entire financial life. And as you begin to apply these principles to truly ask, how can I? Tell me, what's one asset or opportunity you've always dreamed of acquiring but thought you couldn't afford? Share your ambition in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about breaking those barriers together. The CFO incident, learning from your 7-figure mistakes. Kiyosaki also shared a chilling story about a 7-figure mistake involving his CFO, who ran off with $100,000 intended for inventory. This was a brutal lesson in due diligence and trust. The takeaway here, Billionaires in the Making, is that while investing with OPM is powerful, it demands extreme vigilance, clear contracts, and smart risk management. You will make mistakes. I have, every successful investor has. The key is to learn from them, quickly and decisively. Don't let the fear of mistakes paralyze you from taking action. They are simply expensive lessons on your path to mastery. This is why financial statements are crucial. They are your scorecard, telling you where you stand and where to adjust your game. Billionaires in the Making, you now possess a profound insight into investing with zero money down. This is just the beginning. In our next video, I'm going to take this further and reveal the investor's mindset, how to think like the top 1% to spot hidden deals. We'll dive deeper into how financial titans identify and structure opportunities that most people simply walk past. So, if you're ready to truly accelerate your wealth creation, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss that crucial masterclass and all the future strategies we'll be unveiling here at the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. And if this video has fundamentally shifted your perspective, please give it a like. It helps us reach more future billionaires in the making. Remember, your journey to infinite returns begins now, with the question, how can I?